we are very happy, privileged that most of the issues you get when you go out to other counties, Kisumu is different. We are unique. The only county in Kenya with a city and a rural setup.
We are here to look at the integration of technology within the learning institution, right from pre-primary level all the way to the university.
We're so excited to learn with you, and we're really grateful for you coming together. For those who are showcasing their innovations today, we're really excited to see what you've been building and learn from you. And we look forward to an amazing day together.
We want to actualize what we call an evidence-based policy making. Why is that important? Again, as I've said, the challenges that we have seen in ICT in education have remained the same for a long time. And one of the things that we think is missing is that we are not hearing the voices of the implementers. By implementers, I mean we want to understand what challenges are the teachers themselves facing while integrating ICT in education. What challenges are county level officials who are supposed to support the teachers in ICT integration? What challenges are they facing? When we think about EdTech entrepreneurs in the EdTech ecosystem, how are they experiencing ICT integration? Are they able to communicate, to sandbox, to pilot their interventions with the school level? Because that's where the solutions lie.
This is my first EdTech Summit, and I absolutely loved it. I think they're important because it has opened my eyes to looking at education and the application of technology from various perspectives, from the perspective of a teacher, from the perspective of a policymaker, and from the and even better, from different regions. Listening to how unique the challenges are in Western region makes me think broadly about my innovation.
I just wanted to highlight that now from today, if you are asked whether you are involved in the policy making process, you are going to say yes. Through EdTech Summit, Western, yes, from today now you are a policy developer. It is as simple as that.
This summit has not changed but reinforced my thought process about EdTech. One, EdTech is here to stay. Two, there's a lot of changes in the EdTech space, a lot of innovations, talk about AI, talk about integrated systems that has really come out. In fact, even policy, because I think some of the presenters have said, especially from the government side, the policy is lagging behind. So I feel like it has just reinforced that factor that we need to really work and knit things together so that we can be able to make sure that EdTech still maintains that important role within the education sector.
What is my desired outcome? That next year we will come back and do the same thing, but this time with an implementation plan, because I think we're very good at formulating policies, but there is a huge gap between policy and practice. So I'm looking forward to us really infusing the practice with what this new policy will have advised us to do. And of course, I think participation from all the stakeholders in the education sector.